Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I hope that you have watched the previous lesson and revised everything that you have learned. Alright, now let's move towards our today's lesson. Let's learn the color name, this color. This is gray. In English, the color is gray. And in Urdu, it is surmai. Surmai. Gray, surmai. 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 Repeat and revise, all right? Okay, now let's learn to say some vocabulary words. Let's learn to say found it in Urdu. In English, we say found it, and in Urdu, it is mil gaya, mil gaya. Then in English, we say it was fun, it was fun. And in Urdu, it is maza aaya, maza aaya, maza aaya, maza aaya. It was fun, maza aaya. Let's repeat one more time, all right? In English, we say found it, and in Urdu, mil gaya, mil gaya. Then in English, we say it was fun, and in Urdu, it is maza aaya, maza aaya, maza aaya. Repeat many times for better practice, okay? All right, now let's revise some words that we have already learned. I hope that you do remember how to say sun in Urdu. So sun in English, and in Urdu it is Suraj. Suraj. Then in English we say rabbit. It's an animal, rabbit or bunny. And in Urdu it is khargosh. Khargosh. Let's repeat one more time. Sun, the big yellow, very warm thing that brings the day to us. Sun. And in Urdu, Suraj. Then we say rabbit. It is an animal or bunny. And in Urdu it is khargosh. Khargosh. Repeat and revise, all right? Okay, now let's revise some sentences that we have already learned. Now let's practice them, okay? So in English we say, what is its color? What is its color? When you are asking about the color of something, in Urdu it is, iska kya rang hai? Iska kya rang hai? Iska kya rang hai? Then in English we say, what is the color of this rabbit? When you are specifically taking the name of the thing and you're not just saying it's. And in Urdu it is khargosh ka kya rang hai? After is, you are going to mention the name of the thing that you are asking about. All right, and then the rest of the sentence is the same. So in English, what is the color of this rabbit? Or whatever the thing is. You can just replace rabbit with that, okay? And in Urdu it is khargosh ka kya rang hai? Then in English we ask and say, which color is this? And in Urdu it is, ye kaun sa rang hai? Ye kaun sa rang hai? Which color is this? Ye kaun sa rang hai? Now let's repeat all of the sentences one more time. In English we say, what is its color? What is its color? And in Urdu, iska kya rang hai? Iska kya rang hai? Then we ask, what is the color of this rabbit? And in Urdu it is khargosh ka kya rang hai? Is khargosh ka kya rang hai? Is khargosh ka kya rang hai? Then in English we say, which color is this? And in Urdu, ye kaun sa rang hai? Ye kaun sa rang hai? repeat and practice. Okay? See you again. In Urdu, फिर मिलेंगे. See you again. फिर मिलेंगे. फिर मिलेंगे. See you again. फिर मिलेंगे. All right. So here, this is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you with the next lesson, inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.